Hello mates, today we are watching insane CSGO clashes. Okay, let's start it. Yes. Okay, what the fuck? Are you really? What the fuck? What? Come on, come on. Come on, it is incredible. Nice headshot. Yes. Headshot 1, headshot 2, really? Yes. He is very incredible reply. Okay. Yep. Nice knife. Okay. AWP.
Alexi tries to go charging into the jungle. If Brokey goes unnoticed. If Brokey goes unnoticed. He's gonna knife him. The bomb is gonna put
Nice
him
now.
into the middle of this. Hold on.
Yes. Yes. What the fuck is that? This is really incredible.
Certainly asking an awful lot.
Okay.
And Hooksy at least manages to find the trade onto Stan and get the
Yes.
bomb down.
Set up bomb.
That's nice. Extra cash will be nice. A clutch, obviously, certainly not impossible. Hooksy.
What? Is it happen?
Body bag zipped up. Just
What the fuck was that? Incredible.
alone in this clutch. 4 players left to beat. None of them armored.
Oh my
but
God.
armed.
He's waiting.
Now that these smokes have faded, Blitz, this is not an easy round.
Yes. What the fuck is that? Incredible. Very crazy, man. What the fuck? He is very clever. He is very clever. Oh my God. Are you Rambo?
No need to finish this off. It's gonna have to be a guillotine from Csgo, not once but twice. Off default, and he's moving up. Modessy's been playing phenomenally in this 4th map to keep the Falcons' dream alive.
How can he get 2 from this position?
I don't know.
He's trying to think different. He might catch 1. If he gets both, it'd be a miracle.
He will stay tough
He is very
to get
patient.
in and hope.
He is very patient. He's waiting.
He remains in the shadows. This is Falcons getting closer to that bomb now. The retake's in full effect.
Is it happening? Yes. Yes. Very clever. Very clever.
Might get rewarded even more.
Oh my God.
The bomb as well. Modesty.
What the fuck?
Yasuke, this
Nice
guy's
shot.
been missing. Don't count him out of this. Round still very much live here. Back of the garage.
Yes.
Away in Cycro
Okay,
looking
come
This
on.
how nerve-wracking this 2v1 now becomes.
Nice shot, man. Nice shot. Nice shot.
Plant is a small success. Let's see if G2 can stop that from going down. Push is coming.
Hunter's gonna
Yes. Very clever. Very clever. Nice game. Nice game, bro. Nice game. It is going on. Yes. Nice headshot.
And at the moment, NQZ just kind of ahead of Big Uzero, who is bringing inbound with bomb. They split. They're going to come in from double and 2 on single doors. If Molodoy drops that bomb, creates some kind of weird timing, it's a clutchable
Yes. Yes.
busy.
3 versus 1.
Now he's going to have to
It is really.
and his cover's not here. Molodoy from the rafters just dodges danger.
Last one.
15 and 7 off of what is effective.
Yes.
1v4 clutch. Shiro a chance. Don comes in.
Okay. Okay.
Padding up those stats further. 23 and counting before the 9.
Nice shot. Nice shot. What the fuck is that?
Masterful from the 9 dig.
It is very incredible moment. What the fuck is that?
He wanted to make a play. They've said nice shot in the chat. Here it is again for
Yes. We are watching a reply. Oh my God.
They can win a pistol here. It might bring them right back. Jim Fat, that's the P250.
What?
Kerrigan tagged up and taken
What a
the
shot.
lane. A 1 versus 3. He does throw out a bit of a smoke because the bomb is on
Yes.
his side right now, so he knows they have to come and challenge.
Yes.
He's already gonna go stop. Oh my God.
What the fuck? Nice headshot.
Absolute clinic here
2 versus 1. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, Messi, that's a good headshot from the
Ramp side now enabling Robs' flank to start to cook. Multiple bodies.
Nice.
In his way.
Nice.
Waits for the double.
It is very easy. Yes, very incredible moment.
Jimmy to save man.
Nice shoot, man. What the fuck is that? Nice, man.
They're locked in, they're ready for this. Should be double overtime. Broadland has had some miraculous rounds.
Yes.
Torji with the opening kill.
Okay. He's very patient.
Molly might get awkward for Magic, swings him out into
He's
the main
using
side.
bomb.
Now Torji collects.
Yes.
Kill Chopper.
Last one.
He does too.
What
It
the
comes
fuck?
Shiro could just fly up the vent. Torji repositions, has to plant. Shiro gonna try and play
Yes.
for info. Torji chases.
Okay. Very incredible. Nice shoot.
So solid.
Okay.
Another multi-frag moment, but here's
What?
and now
Is he Matrix?
slides away. No
Really?
moves. Donk gets into the back of the site. This is a 1v5.
He can sense the fear. Rotation around for Zywoo. He's counting.
Okay, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.